Buddy's Thai reached out to Concession Nation in 2022 to build a fetching 8x16 Asian cuisine trailer. The inside is equipped with refrigeration, table and shelving space, under the 7-foot hood is a deep fryer, a 2-burner hot plate, a 24-inch broiler, and a wok range. There's also a sandwich prep station. This trailer is ready to hit the road and start rolling in the dough. Are you interested in getting an Asian food truck or concession trailer? Then visit our website to see a lot more styles. And don't forget to pick up the phone and give us a call. For all in-person visits with sales, please call to schedule an appointment. Thanks for watching.